So hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another brand new video on this channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to use KWGT widgets in order to customize and enhance your home screen setups. And yeah guys, KWGT application is a free application but requires a Pro K application, which is a paid application, in order to use it efficiently. So if you guys want the KWGT Pro K application for free, then just let me know in the comment box below and hit the aim of 40 likes on this video, and I'll make the video on the KWGT Pro K application on free. And without any further discussion, now let's begin the video. So guys, first we have to install KWGT and KWGT Pro K application. Now KWGT application is a free application but requires a Pro Key, which is a paid application. So if you complete the aim of 40 likes on this video and just comment down if you want the video of Pro K application for free, then I will make a video on it and drop it on the channel. You can also install many different packs available on the Play Store, which we'll be talking now. And when it comes to the application, when we'll be opening the application, we'll be seeing many different sections, out of which the first section is a section in which we can explore and install many different KWGT packs from the Play Store. Also below this there is a section in which all the installed packs on your device will be seen. From this installed pack, use any one KWGT widget and apply it on your home screen. And also we can see 3 columns in this application, out of which the first column is a column in which the random KWGT widgets appear as per your scrolling, and in the second column all the widgets which have been used by you or which are using on your home screen will be appearing, and in the third column you can back up your favorite widgets whichever you want, so you can apply them anytime. And also in this application you can search for any specific widget whichever you like clock widget or a weather widget or a calendar widget and many more stuff. And when it comes to applying the widget, you have to just pick any one widget whichever you like on your preference, then tap on that widget and customize it as per your choice, like changing the text, color, size and many more stuff, and then tap on save button. As you did this widget will be appearing on your home screen. So this is the method of applying the KWGT widgets on your home screen. So that's it for this video. In this video I tried my best to show you how you can use the KWGT widgets in order to enhance your home screen setups and make it attractive. So if you found this video useful or enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button, share this video with your friends and comment down on which topic you want the next video. And if you are new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button, as I keeps on creating more such videos on this channel per week. And I will meet you in the next week. Until then, stay happy and peace out.